What's going on, guys? It's your friend Jack here, and today I want to talk to you about one thing that is not related technically to print on demand or KDP or any way of making money online specifically, but this is one thing that I believe if you do it or if you don't do it, it's going to basically be a big factor in how many sales you get, how successful you are in any of these online businesses. And let's talk about it. Let's go over it right now. But before we get right into the video, I had to turn the lights on. But if you enjoy any point of this video, any time whatsoever, please consider smashing the like button. It would mean a lot to me. However, let's get right into the video. So, the one thing or the things you need to do in order to be successful online, this one thing is be consistent and persistent. And being consistent and persistent goes along with another thing, which is having a goal to look towards. So you can kind of build your way up there. And I think this is something a lot of people miss. They don't set a higher goal, something to work towards, which basically it allows you to give up a lot sooner. And honestly, the times when you're thinking about giving up, those times are usually the times that if you push through them, you're going to be able to see some major success, some major growth. I'm not saying that, oh, this is hard right now, so it's going to get better right away. I'm just saying if you can make it through the hard times, you're going to be able to see the good times. And a lot about print on demand and Amazon KDP and even YouTube or whatever way you're trying to make money. Any of those ways require consistent effort, and you need to be persistent when things don't work out, things are a little bit slow. And even for me, I've had this a lot where even on my YouTube right now, things are a lot slower than the previous 2 months. When I'm looking at the channel analytics, it's like, wow, I'm down like 50% subscribers. But here's the thing. I know when I'm consistent and persistent and I'm working towards that goal of like 100K YouTube subscribers, I know that I'm going to get there if I just keep going because I've already got so far. So look at how far you've gotten so far. And it doesn't have to be in this category. You don't have to think about the thing you're doing right now. You can also think about, what have you accomplished before this? And that really takes you to the next level to be able to move on and keep going in what you're doing. And basically the one thing you need to remember is that you will never quit. Don't quit and be persistent, consistent. Obviously, there's times where something may not be for you. Say you're 2 weeks into print on demand and you realize you hate designing shirts. Maybe you shouldn't do print on demand. I'm not saying that everyone should stick to everything just to get through it. I'm saying if you really want something, so if you have a goal set from something, then you should stick to working towards that goal every single day. Set daily goals to work towards a monthly goal, to work towards a yearly goal. It doesn't even have to be time specific. As long as you have daily goals, daily things that you are habitually doing to work towards that bigger goal, it doesn't matter how far you put in the future. You don't even have to set a time frame on that goal. That oftentimes causes a lot of stress and doubt when you do. So if you don't believe that you can make it to the goal in 2 months and you're worried about not making it, don't worry about the time. Just work on it every single day and get there as soon as you possibly can. And honestly, I really like talking about this type of stuff to the camera. I could probably talk about it all day. And the reason is because I struggle with these things too, and I want to get my experiences over to you guys. And a lot of the times I make these videos when I'm going through something like this. So even today, I kind of looked at my YouTube channel, I kind of looked at my print on demand sales, and I got a little bit, demotivated. I was thinking, damn, it's not exactly where I want it to be. But here's the thing, I know if I keep working at it and keep going, I'm going to be able to generate something more than what I currently have, and the more I'm working on it, the more things are going to kind of come into play. I'll learn more, I can do more, and I'm still working on everything, print on demand, KDP, and YouTube every single day, which means they are going to grow whether I like it or not. I'm putting in efforts and consistent and persistent efforts to these three businesses or these three ways of making money online, because to me, that's what they are. They're businesses. The YouTube is definitely one that I feel like is a lot more fun out of the three because it allows me to interact with people, kind of talk to you guys about the things I'm doing, which is really fun. And people actually watch the videos, so I think that's really interesting. But really the point of this video is just to tell you that the one thing you need to do is be consistent every single day. You need to be working towards those goals if you want them to come as quickly as you want them to come. And even then, they might not come that fast. They might take a lot of time, especially these business models. Print on demand and Amazon KDP are by no means a get rich quick. There's no really telling if they're going to get you a lot of money quickly. You have to really kind of get lucky in that sense because you have to have a bestseller. But you could make your own luck. You could go ahead and do some really good research and find that golden gem. However, a lot of the times it's trial and error. And I have another video that I'm going to be putting up that is related to another technical mistake that a lot of people make, that I made myself, a big major mistake. And that's going to be coming out later today or tomorrow. But that video is also going to explain something that I think is really important for you to know. So if you did make it this far to the video, definitely make sure you look out for that video tomorrow. And with all that being said, it's been your friend Jack. Set your daily goals that work towards your ultimate goal and keep focusing on them every day. It's okay to miss a day. It's okay to take a break if you're feeling burnt out, but always come back to those daily routines and those things that you're going to do every day to work towards that ultimate goal. Be consistent, and when it gets tough, when it gets hard and you feel like quitting, be persistent. So yeah, that's all my advice for you guys today. If you guys want any questions or have any questions or whatsoever, and you made to this point of the video, comment them down below, whatever they are, or you can reach me on Instagram, on Discord. Don't put me on Twitter, probably won't see that one. Instagram or Discord, I will get back to you as soon as I can, and thank you guys so much for watching. It's been your friend Jack. Have a great freaking day. Peace out. Stay blessed.